everyone, welcome back here to the Osium channel. Today I would like to share some thoughts about how we can make our meetings more lively and more participative. That concerns smaller meetings with 5, 10, 15 people, but the principles that I will describe can also be used for much larger meetings where maybe 50 or 100 people come together. And you have probably shared a similar experience to be sitting in such meetings, and then there are those top-down presentations that actually don't really allow you to bring yourself in, which is a pity because I believe that we could get much more value out of such meetings if we would indeed find a way to make them more participative. So how can we do that? I would like to outline here the way ACT UP is working, because they have invented certain principles that could be very relevant, I believe, also for our meetings. Let me just say a few words first about ACT UP. That's an association that has been created in the 80s to fight against AIDS. They work for AIDS prevention, but also to support people concerned and to lobby for the availability of therapies. Now, the way ACT UP works is that they hold weekly assemblies where all the members are invited to participate, and actually everyone is allowed to actively contribute. That is one of the principles of ACT UP. That all the members are entitled to bring themselves in. But these assemblies are composed of 50, 100, 150 or up to 200 people. So how can that be managed, and how can the time be managed in such a way that everyone can speak? A few very simple principles that I will outline now. Number one, if you want to speak, then you raise your hand and the facilitators will put your name on the speaker list, and you will wait for your turn, and then you know that you will be able to make your point. In case the point has been clarified in the meanwhile, then you would cross your arms, and that means my point is clarified, you can take me off the speaker list. If you want to make a statement that concerns a discussion that is right now ongoing and not wait for your turn to come at the point in time when you are on the speaker list, then you would point with your finger downwards, and that means I want to make a quick comment now, but of course that will be then very brief. More generally speaking, all these interventions are bound to be brief, and the facilitators are entitled to signalize to the speakers that they should come to term through this T signal. That means please come to an end, please make your point now. So all of these ways of working allow to make those interventions very efficient. But the efficiency is also driven by the fact that people are not interrupted. If the group wants to signalize that they agree with a statement that is being made, they would therefore use the snapping of fingers. That means I am in favor or I am in agreement. But as you can tell, that doesn't disrupt the flow of the conversation. So everything is designed in such a way that the meeting goes on without those interruptions. If people don't agree, then they would use this sign, and that would mean I am not in agreement. But again, you notice it doesn't interrupt the flow. I believe that all of these are great ideas. More generally speaking, I think it is worthwhile to try to make our meetings more participative. So I hope you have found this interesting, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If it is the case, please don't forget to like, comment or share, and check out my webpage at svensummerlate.com, where you will find all my videos as well as the transcripts of them and of course the latest publications. I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. you.